Hey guys, here's another drill for you guys that you can do with your side kicks. Now all you're gonna need is a pad. If you don't have a pad, you can use a pillow. If you don't have a pillow, you can just kind of cover your body like this and hopefully trust that the person that's kicking you isn't gonna kick you too hard, okay? But this is a good one here so that you guys can work on some reaction time with your side kick. You put your favorite foot in front. You're gonna wanna do both legs anyway, but I'm gonna hold this pad. And all I do from here is I can just walk towards Mr. Saleem, and as soon as he feels like I'm close enough for him to be able to kick, he's gonna throw that side kick out there. So I can walk in, throw that side kick. I walk in, throw that side kick. I walk in, maybe I trick him, I walk back in, throw that side kick. So it's a good reaction drill for somebody that's coming towards you and timing it and understanding the distance between you and that opponent. And once they get close enough, throwing that side kick in a way that'll work, okay? Good for sparring, good for self-defense. But practice both sides.